Hello everyone, my name is Zuli Ten. My student ID is 077492. Here's my student ID. Okay, let's begin. In this video, we apply the 12S model to my own family business, a private dining restaurant in Nanjing. The restaurant is owned and managed by my uncle and aunt. It serves me to high-range Chinese set dinners and works mostly by reservation. We have 2 chefs, 1 person for preparation, and a small service team. From the outside, the restaurant looks stable and cozy. Inside the family, there are real challenges. Younger family members want more digital marketing and training, whereas the older generation prefers the familiar way of doing things. In this video, our group uses 12S model of the family enterprise to diagnose what is happening in this restaurant and to suggest more structured solutions. We will show how the different elements help us think about the strategy, structure, ownership, and succession in a more organized way, and how this can support the long-term survival of a small family restaurant. Okay, next person.
Hey guys, I'm Xue Chengxu. This is my student ID, and my student ID number is 0037995. So the 12S model is a simple way to rate a family's business. It brings together 12 S elements in 4 main areas. Firstly, in strategy, this is about the long-term direction of the firm and the values that guide the families. Second is the structure. This looks at the rules, basic system, and how decisions are made. Third is shareholders. Here we ask who owns the business and what they expect from it. The last area is the succession, staff skills, and social capital. This covers the next generation, employee development, and key relationships with the customer and the suppliers. In our project, we use this 4 areas to analyze the Nanjing restaurants. Okay, that's all.
Hello, I'm Afnan, and this is my student ID, and I'll be focusing on the strategy structure in the 12S models. The strategy of the restaurant is clear. It wants to be a small reservation-based place and who value high-quality Chinese food and a small reservation services. So, however, the prices are between mid to high, and the customers expect consistent food and services. However, the structure does not fully support this, and most decisions stays with uncle and aunt. And there are almost no written procedures, and no one is in charge of digital marketing websites and other social media. And we suggest 2 small steps. Give a younger family member responsibility for maybe basic digital marketing, and create a basic system to record reservations and customer feedback. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tong Jie Li. This is my student ID. And next is the succession and staff skills. Now the uncle controls small cooking skills and suppliers. This is good but also risky. There is no clear future plan. Staff learn by watching, but this is not enough to keep the special food and service. The restaurant has loyal customers, but they depend on the uncle and aunt. We suggest a single training plan. The uncle teaches 1 young cook, and the aunt trains 1 staff for customers. This will help the restaurant in the future. Okay, so next person.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Haofei, and this is my student ID card. Okay, when applying the 20s model, include Chinese cultural values, elder respect, and conflict avoidance. Younger members hold back on business issues, and elders might see change as criticism. Foodist restaurants, new systems, and succession must order this. 12 ties share works and relationship to strategy, and family meetings or regular digital trials balance harmony with progress. Okay, next.
Hello, my name is Paul Tan. This is my student ID. Finally, we reflect on health and role for people in the restaurant. It is responsible not only to family, but also worker, relation, customer, and spider. Without a clear future plan, healthy problem or family conflict could help them use the trust model without a success not only about conflict. It also means fair work, good service, respect, or